On January 28th, during the Mouni Amavasya Amrit Snan at the Maha Kumbh, a large crowd gathered near the Triveni Sangam. Panic spread when rumours circulated about the arrival of Naga Sadhus, leading to a tragic stampede that claimed 35 to 40 lives and left several others injured. Hospitals were overwhelmed and families frantically searched for missing loved ones. In response, local mosques and community centers, including Khuldabad Sabzi Mandi Mosque and Bada Tazia Imambara, provided shelter. Residents came together to offer food, warmth, and medical aid to thousands of stranded pilgrims. Many organized food distributions to ensure no one went hungry. Individuals like Mohammad, Irshad, and Masood Ahmed stepped forward to help, emphasizing kindness and unity. Despite earlier restrictions on Muslim participation in the Kumbh, communities came together to provide shelter for nearly 26,000 people. With highways blocked, many pilgrims had no way to leave. Local residents opened their homes and shared essential supplies. Mohammad Azam from Civil Lines recalled how quickly people arranged blankets and meals for those suffering in the cold. The compassion and generosity displayed by the people during this crisis have been widely praised, highlighting that humanity transcends all differences.